Hello mama, and welcome to a quickie, sweaty, energizing HIIT workout that is designed to help you to lose baby weight. I'm Liel, Cheri, helping you to get toned and strong and sassy after having a baby. For today's workout, I'm going to use dumbbells to add a little extra challenge to the exercises. I've got here 5 labels and 10 labels, so if you do have dumbbells, go ahead and grab those. If you don't, no worries, use any household items like water bottles or maybe laundry detergent. However, you absolutely can follow this practice without any equipment and still break a good sweat. All right, so today we've got total 8 exercises. Each is going to be 45 seconds on, 15 seconds break. We don't have any official water breaks, so if you do need to take a sip of water, press the pause, take your water, and just get back whenever you're ready. All right. With that being said, let's do this. All right, mama, are you ready? Let's begin. First exercise, no equipment, side to side squat to warm up. Feet to touch, tighten your core, inhale, exhale, squat, lift, squeeze your booty. Core nice and tight. Move with your breath. Last one. Good job. Go ahead and grab your weights if you're gonna use ones. Squat into single shoulder press. Feet hip distance apart. Lift your weights. Tighten your core. Squat nice and low. Get up. Shoulder press. I'll turn so you can see me better. Nice long spine, weight in your heels, core nice and tight. Glute at navel towards your lower back. Last one. Woo! Good job. Drop one weight, reverse lunge with tricep extension. Hold the weight with both of your hands, feet hip distance apart. Lift the arms overhead. Step one leg back, tap the knee, lower the weight. Pay attention to your core. I want you to keep tightening your core. No rush. Enjoy every movement. Last one. Very nice. Heavy set of weights, deadlifts with front raise. Feet hip distance apart. Take a breath in, out, palms facing towards you. Drop, lift, front raise. Lower, lift, arms up. I want you to pay attention here to your core. Don't allow your core just to hang. Suck it in. You got this, mama. If the weights are too much, drop them. Keep going without the weights. The weights are just to add a little more resistance. One more, an extra challenge. Beautiful. I'm going to switch to a lighter set of weights. Sumo squats with lunges. Feet wider than hip distance apart, arms in front of you. Squat nice and low into sumo. Get up. Twist, shoulder press. Back to sumo. Twist to the other side. Shoulder press. Big smile, mama. Smile is super essential. My mat is too sticky and my shoes doesn't want to. One more. Let's do the other side to make it equal. Good job. Drop the weight, cardio. I'm gonna do hops. Sumos into crisscross. Find your sumo. Squat down, get up. 1, 2, 3. Woo! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Low. Go on, 20 seconds left. You can do this. Woo! 10 seconds to go. Woo! Last one. I told you, you're gonna break a sweat. Woo! Super nice. Grab a heavy set of weights. We're gonna give our legs a little break and do arms. Curl into shoulder press. Soft knees, belly in and up. Nice and strong. You are a badass, mama. Keep going. Woo! Let's make our way into your side plank. All right, drop down to your forearm, lift up, dip the hip, and let's add side crunch. Whoa, 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 deep side crunch. Lift higher, crunch. You can open up your feet wider for more stability. Lift higher. Woo! Tighten your core. Higher. You got this. Woo! Come on, you got this. Lift higher. Last one. Woo! Take a break. Sweat is dripping. I love it. How about you? Let's take it to the other side. Forearm plank. I forgot to mention, if it's too much, just hold your plank. All right? This is a great exercise to strengthen your abs postpartum if you have diastasis recti. So that's amazing exercise to close the gap. Almost there, mama. 10 seconds to go. Come on. Lift higher. Lift higher. Last one. Woo! Oh my gosh. Collapsing is okay. Shake those arms. Meet me in reverse tabletop for our last exercise. Lift up. Bend your arms. Touch your knee. Lower the hips. Extend the leg. Touch your toes. Tricep dip. Knee, hips. Deep. Extend. Knee, deep. Extend. Knee, deep. Toes. Woo! Let's do one more. Take a seat. Take a deep breath in and out. Woo. Catch up your breath. We did it. We did it. Let me know, mama, in the comments down below. Did you break a sweat? I mean, I'm dripping. It was only 10 minutes, but so good. What was the most challenging exercise for you in this practice? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, I would like to hear from you what will be an ideal video workout length for you to practice at home. Trying to catch up my breath. All right, thank you so much for moving with me today, for breaking your sweat with me today. You are awesome. You can see that. You are awesome. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, like, and share with your mama friend so we can stay nice and strong for our little ones and give them a good example. From my heart to yours, God bless you. Namaste.